y is equal to 1 upon 2 into cos inverse of x upon 3. So in this way, I have reduced this given function to 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x upon 3. How I have done this? Let's see. Now, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I will give you step-by-step explanation for the given question on your screen. So do watch this video till end, and if you find any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram ID. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First step is we have to observe the given question. Here we have to differentiate the function, which is function of x. So what is the function? Tan inverse of inside the bracket under root of 3 minus x divided by 3 plus x. Now, after observation, what we can see that, so what we have to do, we have to convert this function inside the bracket to tan. Now, how to do that? I will show you now. Solution. First step is we assume the given function as y. So let y is equal to tan inverse of under root 3 minus x upon 3 plus x. Now I want sine in the numerator and cos in the denominator. So what I will do, I will put x is equal to, I will put x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta. Then what will happen? Y is equal to tan inverse of under root 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta upon 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta. Then I will take 3 common. What will happen? Under root of 3 inside the bracket 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 3 plus 3 inside the bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta. 3 will get cancelled. So what I will get? Tan inverse of under root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. After substitution, I have simplified this and obtained this step. Now in this step, I will use the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Now when I use this formula, then what I will get? Tan inverse of under root 2 sine square theta upon 2 cos square theta. Now here you can see that I have converted this. Now next step is tan inverse. This 2 will get cancelled, and then I will be left with under root of this sin theta upon cos theta will become tan theta, and as this is square, this tan theta will also have a square. Now this square and square root will get cancelled, so what I will be left with? Tan inverse of tan theta. Now this tan inverse and tan will get cancelled, so what I will get? Y is equal to theta, and from this equation, what I will get? The value of theta, which is equal to cos inverse of x upon 3, 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x upon 3 is equal to value of theta. I will put this value in this equation. What I will get? Y is equal to 1 upon 2 into cos inverse of x upon 3. So in this way, I have reduced this given function to 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x upon 3. How I have done this? Let's see. Now we know that here we have the function of tan inverse. So to obtain this, to cancel out this tan inverse, I need a function of tan. See, in this way. And this function of tan I have obtained by splitting this tan in terms of sine theta and cos theta. So in this way, this split has occurred, and this split has been obtained from this relation. And this relation, the variable of cos 2 theta, is obtained by substituting this term x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta. Once I substituted this value, then the given function gets converted into 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta under the root. And then I substitute the values of 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta's value is 2 cos square theta. Once I substitute them, then the function get reduced to under root of tan square theta, and this root and square both get cancelled, and then we are left with tan of theta. Then this tan of theta get cancelled with tan inverse, and we are left with y is equal to theta, and the value of theta is obtained from the equation x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta. From this equation we have obtained the value of theta. Now what I will do, I will rewrite the equation that we have obtained by simplifying the given equation, that is 1 upon 2 cos inverse of x upon 3. Now I will differentiate this function. Differentiate with respect to x. So what I will get? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 into derivative of cos inverse is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x upon 3 bracket square. Of course, this will be in minus multiplied by derivative of x upon 3, that is 1 upon 3 into derivative of x is 1 is equal to, now on further simplifying this, what I will get? Minus 1 upon 2 under root of this will be 9 minus x square divided by 3 into 1 upon 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Then what will be left? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 under root of 9 minus x square. This is our required answer. Required answer. I hope you have understood the step-by-step explanation of this solution. If it is the case, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and share your doubts in the comment box or on my or DM me on my Instagram. That's it for this question. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.